Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. I am so excited today because I love jewelry and I got some jewelry. And this jewelry, the brand, the owner, her name is Hayat, Hayet-Rida. Follow her on Instagram. She has the most beautiful custom jewelry. So I got two of them and I'm going to open it and show you what I have in here. I'm turning on this way because I want to show you she has a little gold seal, but my address is on it. So I'm not going to show the other side. Let me open it up and show you what I got. I forgot to tell you the brand name is Khoi, Khoi. So now let me open this box and show you what's in there. Okay, when you open the box, this is what it looks like. Off, because it has my information. And it has this box right here. And the only thing that's here is just packaging. So this is it. Let's open it up. And for me, the bigger the jewelry, the bulkier the jewelry, the more I love it. So I have two of them in here. The first one is this. Look at this, a statement piece. Look at this. And this, I think this was like 100, maybe 129. I think that's what it was. Let me put it on. And so you can see what it looks like. See that? It is just gorgeous. So let me take this piece off. I can't wait to get invited somewhere so I can wear this. See the inside? A signature piece. Let me show you the other one. I told you I love bulky jewelry. Look at this one. That other one was heavy, but this is a light piece. So I can wear it long like this, or I can just put it up and make it like a choker. There's so many pieces that I wanted to get. But if you follow that, you're going to just be spending money. So I started with these two, and I'm sure I'm going to be ordering a lot more. So make sure to follow her on Instagram and order. On her website, sometimes it says like shipping starts for $35, but I think she has a lot of pieces in Chicago, so I don't think it's everything you're going to pay tariff on. So make sure you can contact her or contact her store and find out all the information to order some of these pieces or some of her other jewelry. She has silver, she has gold. And so that's what I'm showing to you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so each time I upload, you will be notified. Bye-bye.